Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you can see, this is the flag of Bangladesh, and I'm a Bangladeshi, and right now I would like to define the flag color. The red color symbolized that the martyrs of Bangladesh in 1971, when Bangladesh over victory against Pakistan, and 16 December is the remarkable day of Bangladeshi people. We get victory against Pakistan, and the green view is, as you can see, the green view in everywhere in Bangladesh, and we are so proud that we have a green land, green Bangladesh, as you can see, and it's feeling so lovely to explain about Bangladesh because it's connect from heart, it's connect from, I can't express my feelings, what I'm feeling about Bangladesh, because it's my motherland. It's right now I would like to say a sentence in Bangla, that is আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি বাংলা, আমি তোমার কাছে বারবার ফিরে আসতে চাই, সে যেই কোনো বেশে হোক. I would like to come again in Bangladesh whenever I death, and I can't express my feelings from here because it's so lovely to see all those things, and I would like to request from all those people who are not live in Bangladesh, who are foreigners, who are outside of Bangladesh, to respect us and to give us positive vibes. Never disrespect us as a small country. We are very good in Bangladesh, and we are very happy. We are very happy that we are here in Bangladesh. So don't send any negative news for us. Thank you. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you can see, this is the flag of Bangladesh, and I'm a Bangladeshi, and right now I would like to define the flag color. The red color symbolized that